Menteri Ketenat Community and Rural Development Abu Tahir Mondal Hagasibaar jengkatayo ula pentip bagi Sorkar jela kadang bishar benia halor kejing dawa ban Pynkha Thymmai yaki C&RD blok hakeleng jong kejela. Habe keren bagi nong patai kubor Mondal ulaong bagi jing dawa ban Pynkha ki blok Thymmai ki donbet bagi Sorkar kadang bishar benia haswa bakan ay kejing menjur. Ulaong bagani kedai kakam kabayat nangkapor sekapor. Hagabede bagajing play dangchen ya kamau hati blok. Menteri Sorkar ulang bagani ke blok kedai kebadan hakajaka kebadan hakendong bah jong kejela badbun ki breu khap banyat haduk prapau ne kendai pau kilometer bandet caka blok headquarter kebadan home sning badai na kedai kadau kebala penolong yau menteri rangba ban perkat bakamau hati kala bandon no la ke jong ke blok na kebentapan ai.
No, see, it is a continuous process. Opening of new blocks as and when the government feels that it is necessary to open the block, naturally we'll have to see the demand of the people and also the resources from the state government. Mauhati block, you see, it is one of the remotest part. Many people had to travel around 80, 90, 100 kilometers to reach the block headquarter. And that's how Honorable Chief Minister thought that it is high time that Mauhati should have a block so that all developmental activities are done locally. And that's how this block has been established there.
Mondal ubakmiru ketenat boarding uliatu balapan mi jeng penbenai ke power policy ke Thymmai ke bapan seluruh ke penmi boarding shimet bakin ken show kam tam habag jeng dawa boarding kalanang kiu ndai pat ban pentikna bagadai ke balak ban siu ulong bagajela klad ban soi ki hydel power project bat kan yipko ndai ki jeng ka jakam jaka ilapan slam ya ke jeng yat jong kam Komta ke projek ba prapusan megawatt bakot kawa yam kahap aprengga syala bat ka mau senram constituency balakerman banla ban penbet no ya kejing kaja bede ba gajaka ulong bagajela kan yo khat ar na kispa ke boarding bat iwe na kispa ki kampen roy kathan baran ke projek ba kejing dawa boarding kalakiu syaka khatwe na kispa ke sisnam komta kalong badan kam banla ban penmi hinala de ke boarding ban ya ke basania da ke basyuthiat nabar.
See, we are planning to have many projects as far power generation is concerned. That's why we have notified our new power policy where we are asking even private producers also to come and invest. Because the way the demand is going up, we got to see that energy is locally available in a cheaper tariff. So on that basis, we are open. We have given one project already to NIPCO and they are working on it. Some land issues are there. Till now, we could not resolve. We hope that it will be resolved. This is the position with NIPCO. This will be falling between Shela and Maushendam constituency.
For new power?
This is 85 megawatt hydel power project. Basic idea is to have investment. It may be from 1 megawatt till whatever the capacity is there. The idea is that if it is a hydel power project, state government will get 12% free power and 1% for local area development. So higher the generation, larger the share for the state. And at today's rate, we have a growth of around 11% requirement of electricity. So on that basis, we should be ready that in future we don't face so much scarcity of power. We cannot compete with larger state or bigger state where they can purchase at a high rate. That's why we are exploring all possibilities to see that some generation, either hydel, thermal or any other, is taking place in the state. I am interested in hydel only as per private parties because we will get 12% free power. So that is our entitlement. So no question of tariff comes in between. You got my idea? Suppose they are having a project of 100 megawatt. So state will get 12 megawatts free. So no question of tariff or nothing. The tariff will be decided by regulatory commission.